Hello everyone, I bought this box of random electronics for 10 bucks. I think it's too much I paid for that one. It's mostly transformers. Not sure what this is for. It's a regulated battery eliminator. This looks like a power supply or something. Voltage selector 6, 4.5, 7.5, 9, 12. And DC output 0.5 amps max. Melbourne, Australia. And this is not a knob, you have to pull it, and it has 2 pins and you just put them in different positions, and so it's kind of switch but not exactly. And there are 2 wires sticking out. Probably someone hacked for this, maybe like that. We'll take it apart and see what's inside soon. Intercom, transistor intercom, just one piece, so it's used this. And this thing, Power Master, circuit selector, off, on, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again, not sure what is half wave, full wave. And this feels horrible. Overload protection. And where's the output? Oh, it's here. So what do we have here? Output. Yeah, not sure. We'll take it apart and see. And there are more connectors on the sides. I think they are connectors. This is a Bucks extra low voltage transformer. Yeah. And here we have just a regular transformer with a weird plug that goes here, which is mains, I think. 36 volts, 6 volt AC, 35 volt AC, 6 volt. Okay, so I don't know. This is the mains. So it's I think step down transformer, AC transformer probably. And finally this box, power supply and transmission bridge. Yeah, I wish I didn't buy them because they are useless, but we'll take them apart and see what's inside. Starting with this one. We have 4 spare fuses included inside the transformer. No, not 5, even 5 fuses, 6, but one of them has been used, and the fuses goes here. This one goes here, and the other ones go on the other side. And that's the transformer. Check this one. They're all flathead screws, and the still you that tells you they are very old. So it's just a typical power supply, I think, even though I don't see any diodes, but there's a MOSFET or a transistor here or something. So maybe I can repurpose the cover, the case, build my own power supply. Okay, so not much inside, just a transformer and some switches. Cannot open because this is on the way. I need a small screwdriver. This one has hex keys. I feel like there's just a transformer inside, nothing else, not much. Yeah, just a transformer, 12 volt. Nothing fancy. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Probably will scrub them. Okay, this one even came with the schematics. So I decided to take them apart, just scrap them. Old school circuit board. This switch, you just connect 2 pins at a time to choose the voltage. This is from the intercom. And this one left. Especially this one has the nostalgic smell of old electronics, which we don't have in modern electronics. I don't know what's the source of this smell. Maybe this PCB, or maybe old leaking caps. Are the switches, don't know. So it's like this is off, I think, and like this is on. And this is the main switch. No wonder it's felt. So this is like a relay. This is the, what is it? The overload cutout. And this is the main rotary switch. This is the main transformer. This is, I believe this is a fuse. Oh no, it's a capacitor. I thought it's a fuse because it was, I thought it was in series with the transformer. So yeah, I will repurpose this, make my own modern bench power supply. I think mostly the smell coming from the wax. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Not sure what this is. Is it a bridge rectifier?